click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload. Hello friends, this is Edward in Christian. In this video, I will talk about the Android Pie update of Galaxy J8. So let's watch. So friends, the Galaxy J8, which is Samsung's mid-range device, was getting Android Pie update in many countries. But now the update is extended to many other regions. The update is now available in India, Argentina and Mexico. This year, Samsung is quick to release Android Pie update for its J series devices, as the Galaxy J6 was also getting Android Pie update last week. And friends, if we talk about the update, so update is available through FOTA in all these countries. The update file size is about 1200 MB and it's come with new One UI, which is created by Samsung for one-hand use of phones. The update also includes April security patch. This update comes with all those new features we see in ordinary One UI update of Samsung's phone. So friends, this is the latest news. I hope you will like the video, so subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Peace out.